Hola, bienvenidos a mi canal. Si es la primera vez que ves mi cara bonita, bienvenidos. And if you're already a subscriber, welcome. And if it's your first time seeing my pretty face, welcome to the channel. We'll be trying out. It's not like it's my first time. It's definitely not my first time, but it's my first time doing this with a kinky. So I'll be trying out these twists, quant twists, with Darling Kinky extensions. Yes. So I actually have a video where I used the same technique to do my locks, my fox locks. Yeah, so I'll be using that same technique here in this particular video. You have an issue gripping the roots of your head, or you're probably too lazy to even want to even grip the roots of your head. If that makes any sense, then this technique is the best one that you can use on the planet. So watch carefully and don't forget, just try attempting. And for the end of this twist, I went ahead to use one finger of my hand to create a loop at the bottom. After creating the loop at the bottom, I continued twisting upwards till I basically finished the extension. So while twisting upwards with the extension, you might want to, carefully detangle, because the kinky is going to get rough and hard. So carefully detangle to avoid unnecessary lumps in your twists. I don't ever bother with a critic. Hit him with a chronicle ridic. Boom, bottle full of Ritalin. I hit him with a little bit of riddle me this, riddle me that. My bad, fell asleep at the gas. No time to wait though. Elon Musk, I'm trying to bankroll. New Tesla just cause I say so. Electric whip like Ivan Van Gogh. I just did it. W's only, I've been winning. So I will be repeating this once again. After parting your hair and putting it in a twist, or if you don't want, you can still leave it just the way it is. You don't necessarily have to put it in a twist, but I prefer putting it in a twist because it's easier and faster for me. Yeah, so you grip your head, twist, 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 all the way to whatever length that you desire. Use a finger, create a loop, and then twist upwards till you have no extensions left. Easy peasy. Thank you so much, More Beauty Fantasy, for being the first to drop a comment in my last video. I appreciate you a lot. If you want a shout out, don't forget to be the first to drop a comment in this particular video, or in whichever video that you probably get to see first, and I will definitely give you a shout out. If you've seen this video down to this part, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, drop a comment in the section below, and of course hit the subscribe button if you haven't. Okay, and get your baby girl to 500. Thank you very much. I'll see you in my next video. Ciao. I've been on a okay, let's get it. Been on a mission like totally spice. I'm my baddie, she bad, but she totally nice. Nails are blue and her toes wil ik white. Ik kom niet met jou, dat is zo voor mijn lijk. He knew it for sure, but he left with a why. Yeah, we live, but we destined to die. And you tell it on me, but I'm man, then I lie, I'm a lie. En ik voel me net Memphis de paai. En ik jag op de goed in de scene. Moest eigenlijk rennen, we lopen misschien. En ik wil niet eens kijken, mijn ogen die zien. En er is niet genoeg dat ik koop hoe het